This video is how to use the thermostat at Magical Madera. If you look over here, it's a regular thermostat. You have off, you have up is heat, down is cool, middle is off. Below it you have the auto fan or the fan if you just want to run the fan for air. So if you want to cool it, you go to cool, you make sure it's on auto, then you can hit the program, that's program, and that'll give you the temperature you're looking for. So let's cool the place to 74 where I like it, and then it'll just revert, it'll kick on when it needs to, and away the fan will go. So it's a very, very simple system in order to get it to do its magic. If you want to heat, you go the opposite. Put it up to heat, hit the program, heat it to whatever temperature you'd like, and then away you go. Again, when you leave, please go ahead and leave it off. And if you have any questions, you can call us at 1-866-322-5487, or you can email us at info@calivrbo.com.